Welcome back to my channel. Quick update on plants, dog, the puss, all the animal. So guys, sit back, relax and enjoy my channel. You never know what you might see over here. You might see plant, you might see the dog, you might see the puss, you might see a bird, but this is a good relaxing channel. So come over here, relax your mind and enjoy the view and love yourself. Relax and enjoy. Quick update on the plants. This is the money tree. My previous video, it was not looking like this. The quick update on the money tree. Come in